According to our Chiliz cost forecast 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.05, with a base cost of 10 cents. Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the greatest value level of 42 cents, as per our CHZ cost expectation 2025. Based on our Chiliz coin cost forecast 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Chiliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the negative opinion, Chiliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099, starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chiliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chiliz figure, our top-to-bottom examination expects to respond to your inquiries like, is Chiliz worth purchasing? Could Chiliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with definite Chiliz cost forecast, we should plunge into the coin's specialized examination. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost heightening to $0.009. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of WOC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected colossal development, denoting another untouched high at the $0.8915 mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight revision. However, later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged to reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative tension. In any case, subsequent to hitting $0.1 the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and at present, it exchanges around $0.119. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold the benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant game's financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent insight about computerized coins. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation and Chiliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 10 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $26,652,997, and the market cap of Chiliz was $703,195,308, with a circling supply of 7,647,158 CHZ. CHZ coin cost expectation recommends that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz, CHZ, has not soared on the trade, ascending to greatness. One conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is setting down deep roots, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout, according to our Chiliz cost expectation. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year is over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. What's more, the CHZ cost is fit for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024. CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents separately. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents. In view of our Chiliz crypto cost forecast, Chiliz value forecast 2025 as per CHZ cost expectation 2025 in a drawn-out situation, The cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHZ cost, principally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all limits north of 2026, would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, upheld by vigorous savvy gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents separately. Chiliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, according to the CHZ cost gauge, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents separately. CHZ value expectation 2028. Of every 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz figure 2029, thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost forecast 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030. In light of our CHZ cost expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. According to the Chiliz value forecast and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents, with the typical worth of 13 cents. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 13 cents and a base value worth of 12 cents. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around 14 cents, according to Chiliz cost forecast. As per our Chiliz cost expectation, in 2023, the cost of CHZ coin is supposed to reach at least value level of $0.096. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest worth of 11 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. Today, the web is a definitive lord world north of a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to